Okay, I have my signal generator hooked up in here. I verified that we have signal. Say abundance of signal. So I have to get through this. I have to get to the gate. All these drains hooked to the B plus of the 9 volts. So I'm gonna hook up to the gate of Q1. I'm slow at this. Q1 is right here. That's at the gate of Q1. Where is it? Now we go through the vertical gain. It comes out of the source, goes through the vertical gain to the gate of Q3. Q3 is right here. That's what we got happening there. Q. Where is it? Q3. The gate is on the back side. Oops. I got hit by a yellow jacket somehow there. Let's turn this way. Am I still going? Well, I got hit by a yellow jacket there someplace. Happens. I'm resting my fingers to the chassis, which I guess I shouldn't do, but I can't see. Okay, I'm on the gate of Q3. Well, I just had a signal, I thought. Okay, I have a signal. Again, that's signal, a sine wave from my okay, that was Q3, the gate of Q3. I wonder if electricity passes through paper. So now it's I'm going to call it a cathode follower. The source to this base, which is Q5. Let's find Q5. I don't have enough space here. Q5, right here. Basic Q5 right there. Got signal. Okay. Oops. And that was here. Where was it? Basic Q5. Now we need the collector of that same transistor. The collector of Q5 or the base of Q7. Where's Q7? Q7. The base of Q7 is right here. Nothing. Okay, the base. Okay, back to base of Q5. Got signal. This is Q5. Where the heck is Q6 then? Q5, what does it say? Base of Q5. Base of Q5, where is it? And it goes to the collector of Q5 goes directly to the base of Q7. Q7 right here. The base of Q7, I got nothing. So apparently this transistor is DOA, or we got a resistor that gained value, 470 ohm, or a 1K. I wonder what I touched to get hit by that yellow jacket. I was just trying to clip onto this transistor. Just got nasty voltages in there. Maybe I put my finger on this balance. I don't know what I did. But whatever. It happens. It's good for the heart. That's for sure. Okay, I have to measure those two resistors and whatever else is involved, and probably remove this transistor and test it. Okay, back on. I just want to verify one more time. Turn this thing back on. I don't know what this bright spot is way over here. But before I never got no horizontal, or I don't know how I lost the vertical. So I wish I had something to lean my finger on. So this green one, that is hooked up to what? Q8, the base of Q8. Okay, back to this. I just want to check on this Q5. Q5, so I will hook up to the base of Q5 and then the base of Q7 to verify Q5 whether it's good or bad. I checked that 56 ohm resistor. Where is it? I got a circle on my screen here, which is throwing me off since I dropped it. Kind of flung it. I was just hanging onto it with two fingers when I got my shock. So, but anyways, Q5, the base and so the base of Q5 and the base of Q7, and I checked the resistors. The 56 ohm tested fine. There was a little drift on it. This 1000 ohm I cannot test it. It measures, I don't know, like 300 some ohms. The 470 ohms is not open. Anyways, I don't remember what it is. If it's in 10% or not, I don't know. I don't remember. So anyways, the base of Q5, I get my sine wave. Now I'm going to go right to the collector here instead of going to the base here. The base here, the base at this point, no signal. So I have a loss here. Where's the collector? Collector is the center one, so I'm going to zoom in on that if I can. See if we can put this to it. I'm at it. Nothing. This transistor is not operating. So I'll have to Q5. NPN. Yeah, this is the wrong stuff, I guess. Wrong ones, I think. These are, I think, a better quality, but I won't use them at this time. So I have all these to go through. I marked them. I think I need an NPN, so I'll try different things. 3904, I think, wherever they are. 3904, I'll try. 21222, 2222. It's an NPN, I believe. So I'll go through them and try different ones in there. I'll extend some leads on there like I did with the other stuff and see what I can do. NPN. So I should be, I don't even have to remove that. I can get at that with my soldering gun real easy, I think. And I'll put wire legs out here so I can try different transistors. I have to measure this. That measured like 300 some ohms, I thought. So I'll have to remove it. This measured, I think, within 10%, I think. The 56 ohm was right back here. Well, that thing's still turned on. I mean, it's just low voltage, but that sawtooth stuff is nasty. Imagine horizontal oscillators and vertical oscillators in black and white TVs of transistor ones could be very low collector voltage, but have that nasty sawtooth stuff in it. So I'll have to get this pulled out and whatever, move on. I got to check the value of this. I didn't put that in. I put this one in. You can tell I just kind of momentarily did in there for getting it working. But I swore I thought I had a vertical signal coming through before. So I guess that's it. April 9th of 2021, moving on. Orange Beginner's Corner. Might get this fixed yet, never know. This here was just a weight. This came out of this generator I got. This generator right here. This generator right here has a real nice waveform on the audio. I think it's 400 hertz, but it's a real nice sine wave coming out of that one. I think that came out of there. I think. Okay, Orange Beginner's Corner.